Hi, it's your group president Taya. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new vending machines located in the student kitchen in Louisa House. The vending machines work on a weight system, so the prices aren't shown next to the items. But on the main screen there is a browse button. Click the browse button and you'll be able to scroll through all of the items in the machine and look at their prices before making a purchase. Firstly, you need to click the tap button, which activates the card reader. The card reader will take a pre-authorization of £5 off your card. This is just to check you have the funds to purchase what you want. Don't worry, it will refund you the difference for your items. Once your card has been accepted, the doors will unlock and you are able to choose the items you want to purchase. Once you select an item and take it off of the shelf, it will come up on the screen telling you the price of what you have selected. You can take as many items as you want. The price will add up on the screen. Once you are happy with your purchase, you must shut the doors to lock the machine again. It then takes your card off the machine. If you leave the doors open, anyone can take items and your card will be charged. To finish your purchase, you click pay in the bottom right of the screen and then it gives you the option of an email receipt. Your purchase is then complete.